Today I'm going to teach you how to add CC in a Teams meeting invite in Outlook. So I'm starting by opening my Microsoft Outlook app and logging into my account so all my emails can load in. Once everything is loaded and I can see my inbox, I'm ready to move forward with setting up the Teams meeting invite with CC recipients. Now that my email has loaded, I'm navigating to my calendar menu. I can find this at the bottom left part of my screen, so I'm clicking on the calendar icon to open up my calendar view. This is where I'll be creating the meeting invite, so it's important to switch over from the email view to the calendar view first. Once my calendar menu has opened, I'm looking at the top part of my screen where all my tools and menus are located. From here, I'm clicking on the New Appointment button. This opens up a fresh appointment window where I can start building out my meeting details. Now, to actually add CC recipients to this Teams meeting invite, I need to convert this appointment into a meeting first. So I'm clicking on Invite Attendees. As soon as I do that, the window transforms and reveals the CC field along with the required attendee fields. At this point, I can see the attendee options, and now I need to make this a Teams meeting, so I'm looking for the Microsoft Teams tab at the top of the meeting window. Once I spot it, I'm simply clicking on the Add Teams Meeting button. What happens next is really helpful. Outlook automatically populates your attendee fields and adds all the Teams meeting details like the join link and dial-in information directly into the body of the invite. This makes it super easy to turn any meeting into a Teams meeting without having to manually add those details yourself. Now that the Teams meeting details are in place, I can go ahead and add my CC recipients. I'm clicking into the CC field and typing in the email addresses of anyone I want to keep in the loop. These people will receive the meeting invite and all updates, but they're not listed as required attendees. This is useful when you want to inform people about the meeting without expecting them to attend. After I've added everyone I need in the required and CC fields, I'm filling out the rest of the meeting details like the subject line, date, time, and any additional notes or agenda items in the body. Once everything looks good and I've double-checked that all the right people are included, I'm clicking Send. The meeting invite goes out to everyone and they'll receive it with the Teams meeting link ready to join, and that's it. I opened Outlook, went to the calendar, created a new appointment, clicked Invite Attendees to reveal the CC field, added the Teams meeting, filled in my CC recipients, and sent the invite. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.